I'll be showing you how to make your birthday public on Instagram. So go to a profile icon, and then on your profile page, tap on the three-line button in the upper right side, and then go to Accounts Center, tap on that, and then tap on Personal Details, and then you should see your date of birth. So just tap on that, and then you can tap on Who can see your birthday on Instagram. Tap on that, and then it should open this page, and then now you can change visibility on Instagram. So just tap on that, and currently, as you can see, it's set to no one. So you can have that information public to your close friends list or all the followers you follow back. So basically your friends on Instagram and you follow each other, you can make that information public. Now, by public, I don't mean someone can come to your Instagram profile and look at your birthday. It just means Instagram on your birthday will notify your friends on Instagram that it's your birthday, so they can be able to send you messages and gifts. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.